Hey there, to change the wallpaper on your iPhone 15 or any other iPhone, you need to go to your settings. From here, you need to swipe down and you will find this option called wallpaper. Tap here. Now you will find this option called add new wallpaper. As you can see this, you need to tap here. As you can see, you will find a various inbuilt wallpaper, so you can choose any of them. This will be the suggested photos. If you have any photos on your gallery, this will be the suggestion. As you can see, these are weather and astrology. So if you check, you will find various styles and various formats, so you can choose according to your needs. So let me choose this for this video and add this button. So it says add as wallpaper pair, so tap this button. As you can see, our wallpaper has been changed. However, if you have a custom wallpaper, if you need to change the customized wallpaper, tap this button, custom, and from here you will find this option called photos. As you can see this, when you tap here, you can select your photos from your photos application, and after selecting the photos, the process will be same, and just press the done button. You will be able to set your custom wallpaper on your iPhone. So yeah, that's how you change wallpaper on your iPhone.